Hi guys, I'm Cody Jay and welcome back to the perfect place for makeup tutorials, product reviews, challenges, skincare, and more. Today I'm actually really excited to be trying out for the first time magnetic lashes. So Glamnetic Lashes was kind enough to send over their full system for me to review on my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna find out with you guys today whether or not the hype around magnetic lashes is really worth it. So if you guys have never seen a review on magnetic lashes, or if you're just curious to see if they really are worth the hype, keep on watching. Okay, so like I said, I'm really excited about this. Now, I've heard of magnetic lashes, for several months now. I've never really been too, excited about trying them out just because I have no problem with regular lashes. Now, one of the other things that really turned me off in the past from going out and actually purchasing magnetic lashes is the price. So, obviously with regular lashes or faux mink lashes, which is what I always wear, I don't wear real mink lashes because that's disgusting and unnecessary, but those types of lashes are really affordable and you can find them from a couple dollars from Elf Cosmetics all the way up to like $15 to $18 from like Lily Lashes and stuff like that. But Glamnetic lashes aren't the only magnetic lash brand on the market. There are tons of other ones. A lot of people know about Moxie Lash. They are one of the original magnetic lash companies. So one of the things that really turned me off from magnetic lashes are the pricing, like I said. So I've seen other companies' pricing compared to Glamnetic, and Glamnetic is pretty much right in the middle of the price range. So this system of the two lashes and the liner for these specific lashes and everything was about $150. So they were kind enough to just send it to me for free, so I didn't actually pay that amount for this, but they were kind enough to send this to me, like I said, to review on my channel. So I have two styles here. I have Venus, which looks like this, and I have Baby Girl, which looks like this. And then, of course, I have the magnetic eyeliner. So I'm actually going to be trying out Venus today. And I'm going to open this package up and give you guys a closer look at them. So as you can see right here on the top of them, there are little tiny magnets. And the magnets, I guess, are supposed to stick to the liner once it's dried on your eyelid. So the liner specifically says to shake before each use, glide the brush tip along the upper lash line only, making an even line as thick as the lash magnets. For optimal use, apply Glamnetic lashes onto the liner once 80% dry. Do not use liner on waterline or lower lash line. So to remove this liner, now a lot of people I've heard complain about the magnetic lash system liner just in general being very difficult to remove. So this says to use an oil-based makeup remover to remove the Glamnetic liquid magnetic eyeliner. So we're gonna try this out. So obviously makeup's already done. This is from a Nikki Tutorials Beauty Bay collaboration palette review that I did. So check that out if it is already up. If it is not up, surprise, it's gonna be up. So we are going to take out this liner, hopefully. Thank you. And it just looks like this. It's a liquid magnetic liner, just a normal component. So I'm gonna shake it up like it said to do. Now I already have mascara and eyeliner on, like on my waterline. So I'm going to take this. Ooh, okay, so I don't do a lot of liner on top of my eyelid. It's just not my thing. When I do, it's one of the felt tip pens, which is really easy for me to control. I do not like this. My hands are kind of shaky, so I don't like this type of applicator where it's just kind of like, I don't know, like a bristle. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that. So I'm definitely gonna need a moment of silence while I do this. So let me grab my mirror. Pray for me. Okay, so we got the liner applied. Is it like the most perfect line you've ever seen? No. And the green that you can see is actually on my lashes, not my lash line. But it's very, very sticky, and I don't like that at all, to be honest. It's very, very sticky. So I'm gonna give it a moment and let it dry about 80%. I guess I can do the other eye while it dries. Okay, that eye was surprisingly a lot easier. Now, like I said, it's very, very sticky, so like whenever I blink, my eyelashes are sticking together, and I don't really love that for me, but oh well. Okay, so I'm gonna take my lashes out of the package and grab them. Now, these are really little lashes just because on camera I can't do really flared out large lashes because it like takes over my entire eye. But I'm going to actually grab the other one because that's my left eye, and I like to do my right eye first because it's my eyeball and I'll do how I want. So I'm going to put these in my little Bella & Co tweezers. These are actually a lot smaller than I thought. But yeah, there's these little tiny magnets on it. If you could see them, kind of, maybe. Yeah, the little squares. Yeah. So I would say this is probably about 80% dry now. So let's pop them on. Oh my God. They're on. Just like that. Just like that. Let me adjust them a little bit. Just like that. Okay, I'm not like a finger adjusting type of person, but I guess we're gonna have to be because they're sticking to my tweezers. So now I'm just gonna pinch them together like I normally would. Okay. I mean, they're on. It literally just like popped on. So let me get my other ones on before it gets too dry. Grab them. It's hard for me to do stuff on my left side, sorry. So I'm just gonna grab them and just get that extra random hair off them. Okay, so we're gonna grab them and just... It's so weird to me. This is actually kind of amazing me right now. Ooh, it's stabbing me in the eye. Okay, both pairs are on. So I like the way they look. Definitely they fit my eye shape because they're flared out on the sides and not in the inner corner, which I need that for my eye shape, obviously. They add a nice little just natural volume and fullness to them. I really like that a lot. But yeah, they just pop on. You can almost feel / hear it go, and it kind of like goes right on. So I love that. So yeah, if you're able to just get the liner on, you're good to go. So my final thoughts on Glamnetic magnetic lashes and magnetic lashes in general is I love Glamnetic, the packaging. I love all of it. On the back, it shows application tips. So if you have any questions at all, everything is here on the back. The liner also has directions on it to tell you exactly how to apply it and how long it should dry for. I like how this package kind of like slides out. It's just very, very nice. I think the whole package and everything, the component is very well thought out and put together. There are little metal bands inside the package so that when you take them off, it goes back on. Now, one thing I will say is I very carefully took these lashes out of this package, and one of the magnets is actually right there. So that is an issue to me. It shouldn't have come off the lash just like that. I was very gentle with them. So I would say overall with magnetic lashes, do I buy into the hype? Yes. Now, as far as like, I'm not gonna sit here and like rip them off, but you can definitely pull on them and they're not really coming off. But I feel like if you were like me, they're gonna come right off. I don't think they're just ever gonna like, you know, fall off, but they are pretty comfortable. I definitely do feel them more than I feel regular lashes, obviously because of the little magnets on it. So as far as like comfortability from like 1 to 10, I personally think regular lashes is like an 8. I think these are like a 6 or 7. So if you can get past that, then it's, you know, a decent product. Now, so overall, I do think that magnetic lashes are worth the hype. I do think you would be happy if you had them. My biggest downfall with magnetic lashes, my biggest criticism, I guess, is the price point. Like I said, Glamnetic is pretty expensive for their systems, but all magnetic lash brands that I've looked at, including like Moxie lashes, are well over $100, sometimes up to almost $200. Do I think that's worth it overall? No. Would I ever personally purchase magnetic lashes just for the price alone? No, I wouldn't. I would not be making this video if Glamnetic would not have sent me these lashes to try out, because I do personally think that it's far too expensive for magnetic lashes when you could just buy a really nice pair of regular foam ink lashes, glue, and pop them on like everyone else in the world. So that's my little spiel on the magnetic lash system in general, and of course my dedicated review on Glamnetic, the brand itself. So overall, Glamnetic is approved in my book. Like I said, my biggest downfall with magnetic lashes in general is just the price point more than anything. I do think, like I said, if you buy them, you'll be happy with them. But that is all I have for today's review. If you'd like to keep up with all things Cody J, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok, all at Cody J Artistry. And of course, if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. Click that big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family. Turn on my YouTube video post notifications by clicking that bell icon and switching it to all. And I thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.